Golden stacked by global taste. Ingredients: 4 eggs, 3 tablespoons sugar, 10 tablespoons flour, 2 tablespoons honey, 1/2 tsp baking powder. Preparation: first, crack the eggs into a bowl and add sugar. Whisk well until smooth and slightly fluffy. Add honey and baking powder, then mix again. Gradually add flour and stir until the batter is smooth and lump-free. Heat a pan on medium heat and lightly grease it. Pour small portions of batter into the pan. Cook until bubbles appear. Then flip and cook the other side until golden. Your soft and fluffy pancakes are ready. Serve and enjoy.